Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's episode, and the last episode for the Ranger, we're going to take it for a test drive. But first, we're going to go fill up with fuel. So let's jump in it, get to a petrol station, and we'll take it from there. Well, so far so good. Tyre pressure light's on, but that's nothing to be worried about. We'll pump that while we're at the petrol station. But it's a big beast of a truck, this thing. Goodness gracious, these things are gigantic. Right, so we made it to the petrol station. So let's get the diesel particulate filter cleaner in. And also one thing you should never forget in this day and age is that when you're filling up at the pump, always wear a rubber glove. Because there's more dirt on a petrol pump than your toilet seat. Anyway, with that, I'll be back in just a sec. We'll take this thing for a run. This car just cost me 80 quid to fill it up. Over 80 quid, 88 quid. Outrageous. Anyway, let's get the tyres pumped up and then we'll get on the road. Right, so the tyres are now pumped up, full of fuel, and I genuinely wish I could lose weight pounds as fast as I can spend money pounds. Anyway, with that, let's go for a scenic drive in the country, because it is quite the beautiful day today. Moments like that I realise I need to get out on my bike seeing it's such a nice day. So that's what I'm going to do later on today. How about that for a view, ladies and gentlemen? So anyway, what I thought we would do is I'll give you a quick price breakdown on how much this truck cost. I'm standing in the middle of the road right now, so I need to be super quick with this bit. But I bought the car for $15,100 at auction. And by the time you added in all the fees, the buyer's fees, the move-in fees, the transport, I was in at around about $18,100. And with all the work, the service kit, the new battery, getting the parts resprayed and all that jazz, I'm in it for just under 19 grand in total. Which, considering this is a 4-year-old truck with 37,000 miles on it, I think that is an absolute bargain of a price. So anyway, as you can see, it's an absolutely spectacular day here in Scotland. It's 19 degrees, which is unheard of. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump back in the truck, I'm going to head home, and I'm going to head out on the bike, because you've got to take advantage of this kind of weather while you can. So we'll cue the outro music. I'll give you a little bit more scenic shots on my drive home. And as always, I hope you're keeping well and I hope you're keeping safe. see you in the next one. Peace.